Hello students. So today we will discuss about trigonometry, and here I had written guaranteed 15 JE marks. So how will we gain that 15 JE marks? That we will discuss here, because application of trigonometry will come in complex number and then vectors, and the major part of trigonometry will come in calculus. Okay, so we will understand what are the important formula that we have to discuss, that will be applicable in these chapters. Okay, that we have to discuss in the whole class of this. Okay, so firstly we will discuss what are the session plans. देखो सेशन प्लान क्या है. सेशन प्लान में लिखा हुआ है, फर्स्टली वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस, देन वी विल डिस्कस बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला जो कि हमने ग्रेड 10 में पढ़ा है. उसके बाद हम लोग उसका ही लेटेस्ट वर्जन पढ़ेंगे जो हम लोग ग्रेड 11 में पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं तो पूछा ही जाएगा, मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. उसके बाद सबसे लीस्ट इसमें बोल सकते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन है. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, ओनली 2 to 3 क्वेश्चन दैट हैज आस्क्ड इन आईआईटी. देखो ये जो हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस चैप्टर है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इसलिए क्योंकि अभी लेटेस्ट वर्जन में जितने भी करते हैं, सपोज कि 2017 से जो भी पेपर्स आ रहे हैं उसमें 2017, 2018, 2019 में मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस से पूछे गए, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको सबसे ऊपर लिया है. फिर मैं उसके बाद बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला पूछा है कि जिसमें हम लोग छोटे छोटे फॉर्मूले यूज करके कैसे हम लोग वैल्यूज निकालेंगे. ठीक है, उसके बाद मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, ये देखो ये एक एप्लीकेशन है कैलकुलस पार्ट का. ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने इसको यहाँ पे लिया है कि यहाँ पे हम लोग बेसिक सीखेंगे लेकिन फिर इसका एप्लीकेशन हम लोग कैलकुलस पार्ट में करेंगे. ठीक है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रखता है लेकिन इट्स नॉट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट, रादर देन हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस, basic trigonometric formula and maximum and minimum value of trigonometry. So firstly we will discuss about height and distance. Okay, so in height and distance, so what we know in grade 10 that we have to apply here also. So firstly what we know, this is the thing, this is the plane line. Okay, this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line, and the angle made by in between them is will be called as theta. And what we will find here, we will find here tan theta, which is equal to, if I'm taking it as h, if I'm taking it as x, so we can write it as h upon x. That's the thing which we have to discuss. That's the basic formula. And one more thing, it is angle of elevation, angle of elevation. Now if I will draw like this, if I will draw like this, so what this can be called, this can be called as angle of depression, angle of depression. Okay, so angle of elevation, angle of depression, that's the thing which we have to learn from this chapter. Now we will learn how to solve the question, and I had taken all the questions of IIT JEE. Okay, so that we will discuss more and more about that kind of papers and we will understand how to tackle those kind of questions. So first question is this one. So first question is given like this: a in a PQR triangle, which is a park kind of thing. So if I'm drawing the park, so it can be draw like this. Okay, now it is given that PQ and PR. So if I'm writing it as P, it as Q, it as R, and what is given, PQ and PR are equal, which is this one and this one. So and the distance of this is 200 meter and this one is 200 meter. A TV tower is stand at the point of QR. So if I'm drawing QR, so it will be draw like this. Okay, if the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from PQR are respectively, so if I'm drawing like this, so it will be the angle of elevation. We had already learned about that. So Q will be this and R will be this. Okay, so this will be the figure. So we can't say that this is a plane figure, this is kind of tetrahedron figure. Okay, this is kind of tetrahedron figure. So if it is like this, so if it is like triangle here, so the tower will be, so tower will be like this. Okay, tower will be like this. Okay, so if it is a plane figure, if it is a plane figure, So tower will be like this. Okay, hope you understand this thing. So this will give you 30 degree and this will give you 30 degree, which is given in the question, and this is nothing but what, 45 degree. Okay, so now tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree can be, oh sorry, we have to take some notations. So what we can take here, we can take it as x, it will be y. So I am taking height of tower as y. So height of tower it as y. Okay, hope you understand this thing. Now what we have taken, tan 45 is equal to y by x, because height of tower upon x, which we had already discussed here. So tan theta is nothing but what, h upon x. So here we have to take y upon x, so we had already taken that thing. Now tan 30 is equal to, if I'm taking this distance as m, this distance is m, so tan 30 is equal to nothing but it is equal to y by m. We had already learned this thing. Now we can see that it is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle, and from point P to the middle point of this, it will give you always a perpendicular distance. Perpendicular, it will be the perpendicular line, because it cuts the QR as equal, because it is given that stands at the midpoint of QR. ठीक है, so we can say that it is perpendicular, which means that m square plus x square is equal to 200 square. Why I'm saying this one, because of Pythagoras theorem. So m square plus x square is equal to 200 square. So what we have to find here, we have to find the height of tower. So we have to change m and x in terms of y. So how will you write that? So from here x can be written as y. So we can write here what, y square, and from here we can write root 3, sorry, m is equal to root 3y, which can be written as 3y square is equal to 200 square. Okay, so if I will solve this one, we can write the value as 4y square is equal to 200 square. Okay, which can be written as y square is equal to 200 square plus 2 square, because 4 can be written as 2 square, which means that 100 square, which means that if I'm writing y square is equal to 100 square, so y can be written as 100. Okay, so the height of tower is nothing but what, 100. So what we have to do here, we have to draw only figure, then we have to draw these kind of thing. So this is the shortest method which we can find here. Okay, we have to write the tan 30 value, tan 45 value, and we have to write the Pythagoras theorem, and we have to apply all the things, then we will find the value of y, which is the height of tower. Okay, it is as simple as that. As simple as that, we have to solve it with this question. Okay, let's go with the second question, which is quietly standard but not that standard. Okay, here what is given, that an aeroplane flying at a constant speed. Constant speed means, so if I'm taking it as t is equal to 0, it will give you v. So if I'm taking at t is equal to t, it will give you what, v, at a constant speed. That's the meaning of constant speed.